return on investment, return on margin in just the last 2 weeks. If I had 10 contracts, I'd be making $4,000 in 2 weeks. If I had 20 contracts, I'd be making $8,000 in 2 weeks. How much money do you want to make? That's the only question. I put on my trades. All I do is sit back, monitor them, and then collect the money. That's all I do. It takes me 15 minutes a day, and I'm done. And the market is down. If you take a look over here, the Dow is down 190 points. The market could go down another 200 points, and I'd still be okay. It could go up 200 points, and I would be okay. There's lots of money to be made in this kind of trading. This is the kind of trading that professionals do. They don't care if market goes up, and they don't care if the market goes down. Either way, they make money. We have a profit of about $1,700. Kind of take our profits up in here, a couple $1,000 on this trade. What we want to do here is show you how it's possible to make monthly income and build wealth at the same time on very small positions. And we've only got $1,000 of margin up right now. We're making $407. I mean, that's just one contract. If we did 10 contracts, now you're talking about $4,000 in profits in 2 weeks on $10,000 in margin money. If you added, let's say you went to, 50 contracts, now you're talking about $20,000 in profit potential in 2 weeks. All I do is follow these columns all the way down to the overall totals, and I take a look at each one of these individual numbers and just make sure that they are all within the parameters that I want them to be in. And then if you need to, you adjust them, and that's exactly what we do. We simply manage these numbers. I go through and I teach you exactly what those are. I show you how to manage them, and that's why you just look at one set of numbers every single day, and you're done. I mean, that's it. And when I mean trade with confidence, I really mean trade with confidence, because once you put these positions on, you know exactly what's going to happen day by day. If you need to adjust, you know exactly what to do. There won't be any surprises. But let's go to the Analyze tab for just a second, because I want to show you what the potential is. Now, this is a live test account using my own real money. I only use 1 or 2 contracts for these because I want to show you the potential that you don't need a lot of money. My regular account, and you can see what my balance is, and you can see what kind of positions I put in. These are the exact same positions that you guys have seen the videos on, and I trade with my own money. But let's go to the Analyze tab for just a second, because I want to show you what the potential is. On the Analyze tab, what we do is we have a picture. We have a picture of our profitable position. Let me show you. Let me tell you exactly what the actual potential of this is. $1,600 margin, not much. Maximum profit, maybe around $1,300. If you were to put, let's say, double that. Okay, now you're putting up $3,200 of margin. Now your maximum profit potential is anywhere from $2,400 to $2,600 for only $3,200 of margin. Let's say you did 10 times that. I put $16,000 worth of margin up. What's my profit potential now? My profit potential is $12,030 in this position at that one end, and $13,375 at this end. And if it's stuck right in the middle, it's $10,335 in 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And those are not, even that's not a very large position. There's lots of money to be made in this kind of trading. This is the kind of trading that professionals do. They don't care if market goes up, and they don't care if the market goes down. Either way, they make money. All I do is look at it once a day. I put on my trades 30 to 40 days, 3 weeks to 4 weeks before expiration of the options. All I do is sit back, monitor them on a daily basis, and then collect the money at the end of the expiration period. That's all I do. And you know what? If you only have a couple $1,000, hey, you can still make, even if you only had a couple $1,000 of margin, look at the profits, $1,200 to $1,300 at the very worst, maybe $1,000, and the market can move up or down. It doesn't matter. $1,000 a month, only going to cost you $1,600. You get that $1,600 back in margin, plus you make the $1,000. So I don't see a situation in which you're not going to get a huge return on your investment. When you're trading with confidence, it doesn't matter what the market does. It doesn't matter if it moves up or down, and you're going to be in a profitable position. And if you listen to the videos and I show you exactly how I do my trades and exactly how you can do your trades too, then you're going to have the knowledge to trade with confidence. And that's what this is all about. I've seen seminars for $20,000 that don't teach what I'm going to teach you in this course. Now it's all online. All you have to do is log in. And, in one, even one trade is going to cover the cost of this easily. I mean, with $1,600 of margin, and you can make about $1,000 a month on this, and the market can move up or down, it doesn't matter. You tell me, is that a good return on your investment? I think so. I mean, you're not going to get this kind of a return on your investment under any circumstances, under any other financial institution, only doing it on your own. And, like I said, it takes me 15 minutes a day, and I'm done.
If you're ready to truly succeed, you'll find it super easy with the live examples. Copy what we do without any of the complications that have held you back before. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced trader or just starting out. If you truly want to succeed, then grab hold of this opportunity and get on track by taking a strategic approach to trading. Uncover the secrets to how trading really works and achieve outstanding results today.
My story, 20 years ago, I, started trading stocks and options, and I was making money week after week, $1,600, $2,000 every single week. I made money on the way up, made money on the way down. I thought I could do no wrong. I bought $16,000 worth of puts because I thought the market was going to continue lower, and it just about wiped me out. In fact, Barron's, the newspaper, Barron's came out and said this must be the bottom of the market because a retail customer bought $16,000 worth of puts. That was me. That was back in July of 1986, I think it was, or 87, I'm not sure. There was an actual article about my purchase of $16,000 worth of puts. I really got to get a copy of that article. And I lost my shirt. I lost every penny that I had. And it took me a long time to figure out how to really make money in the markets. And I'll tell you, with confidence, how to trade with confidence. Because once you lose a ton of money, you're going to lose your confidence. And the only way to get it back is to learn everything you possibly can about the markets. And that's what I did. I learned every possible thing I could learn about the markets. And if you want to make money, this is the only way I have found to make reliable monthly income from the markets and how to build wealth over the long term. This is the kind of stuff you can hand down. It's something that is so secret that only market makers who are extremely successful have ever learned about these markets. And believe me, your grandchildren, your children and your grandchildren and their grandchildren are going to profit from these strategies, the same strategies that you can profit from now. They're going to be able to profit from 20, 40, 100 years from now because these will never change. And I'm going to show you a couple of methods that are, just explosive strategies. They really are the way to create wealth in the market. And if you really want to make a killing in the market, this is exactly how the big players do it, but this particular module on advanced techniques and wealth building is going to be on stocks. The very first strategy I want to talk to you about is a method that turned a $14,000 trade into $75,000 in profits in about 8 months. And once again, this particular strategy does not depend on the stock going up. The stock can actually go up or down. We have a profit of about $1,700. It's up almost $5. Tremendous, absolutely tremendous run here. Kind of take our profits up in here, a couple $1,000s on this trade.